What is up, guys? Today, let me recap because it is necessary. We were recording and streaming as if we were live, but it turns out at the end of my session, the live didn't live. Some sort of technical issue, I'm not sure. I need to investigate that. But it's a good thing we do these recaps. So, the reason why I say today was disappointing, because we were overall wrong and the way I traded was completely out of the ordinary. And yeah, we were bullish today, thinking Wednesday made a reversal and Thursday and Friday would continue with that Wednesday reversal profile. And so heading into today's price action, we saw Asia and London trailing downwards, thinking that New York would come in and reverse the market, but that did not end up happening, even though price was leaving these nice 50-minute highs to be taken out. But I'll tell you where we went wrong. The first reason is we took multiple trades, 4 trades today. And when do we ever take 4 trades? Like, never. I am scared to even take a 3rd trade. So that's another mistake other than the bias. And the next mistake definitely was not waiting after the macro, which is normally what we should be doing, but again, we are not following the rules here and we're trading thinking that this was the manipulation, right? And then price rejecting with this long wick on this blue wick over here. We thought, okay, price rejected this fair value gap here, but of course, looking back, this doesn't make sense. Okay, it doesn't. This is not the setup. It's not clean, and yeah, it does not correlate with S&P. If you do see it, I'm not going to bring it up now, but trust me, this was not the setup to take. These two definitely wrong. And so we waited again for price. This was a forced trade, in my opinion. The reason for this, we thought, okay, we're making a change in state of delivery here, clearly forcing something that wasn't there, and we just took this buy, and of course ultimately it failed. This is a person trying to see something that isn't there. This is how I'm seeing this person that traded today, me. I drew out these 3 points right here, thinking, okay, this is the 3 points we're looking for. Like, in hindsight, yes, this doesn't make sense, but I'm thinking we're reversing now, finally, a bit late, but better late than never. And we went for a 4th buy, totally out of the norm, the rules that we have set up. And so price seemed to be moving okay, relatively okay. We brought our stop loss up here. It was originally down here, trailing our stop loss a little bit, but we did not put it at break even, thinking we were going to have a little bit of retracement and then go up. But again, in hindsight, that doesn't make any sense. So yeah, if you want price to be distributing, you don't want price to be making these deep retracements like this. It's a big red flag. Okay, if we look at the amount that we lost a total of $56. Now you might think that's not so bad. Usually I risk $30 per trade, and this would be the equivalent of like 2 trades. But that's not how I see it. For me, I'm looking at multiple losses that we're making. I'm looking at how many wrong decisions that we made during that time. So to say that, oh, this is just $56 is just me rationalizing poor decisions. And be that as it may, I'm just happy that it's not any worse. We're not blowing accounts here. We're not going over and above the limit. But it is showing that we're not being patient. We're being a little bit desperate for a win. And I think that is a result of not being successful last month. That's okay as long as we apply what we learn. So I think we should do just that. We should be more serious, being more strict with our rules, and being patient for our setup to form at the right time. Because I know we're timing the market wrong. We are not analyzing the higher time frame. We're getting the bias wrong. So that's something to work on. And I'm looking forward for tomorrow's price action, because now we have more information in the week to go off of, and hopefully we can mitigate this loss for this week, if not some of it. But so yeah, that concludes our video, our recap. I'll see you guys tomorrow the same time. I will definitely make sure that the technicals are working and we are streaming on time. So see you guys tomorrow. All the best of luck. No hope is lost. Just remember that even if we fail this month again, we have next month, we have the following month. We're gonna get this right, okay? And we're gonna do it live. No gimmicks, no scams about it. It's all here done properly. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best of luck, and cheers.